sports, movies, TV shows. 370178. Now on this page, we have some tutorials and how-tos. Click on the button, download. Movies, TV shows, live TV, and sports. Follow along and I'll show you how. First thing we need to do, head over to quick settings, select it, and then select again for all settings. Come down to apps. Go down all the way to security, and then here, scan apps with Play Protect. We want to turn this off and leave it off. Back out, hit the search icon or use the microphone in your remote. Downloader. Downloader is this orange icon. Select it. We can click install. Downloader gives us the ability to download applications that we may not have available. Once Downloader is installed, we can just click open. Now Downloader works just like any web browser. We can type in any URL. For instance, the website we're going to go to, ledbytheunknown.com/downloads. Or I have a short code for you. It's so much quicker. So we have this little circle, red circle. It acts just like a cursor, and our remote is a mouse. So we can do right, down, left, up, and the select button is the center button. So we can go up. It highlights Downloader. Click over. Highlights the search area. We can click it, and here it gives us a keyboard. We're just going to click the number button. 370178. Go down and collect the check mark or the go. Continue. Now, there's a 5-second redirect, so at this time, please guys, share this with a friend. Helps out tremendously. I know you have a friend who would love to get this information. Now once the screen has loaded up, we can actually come up, hit the 3-dot button over there on a remote, and add this page to our favorites. So that if at any point you want to come back for other applications, you don't have to type in or remember the short code. So we can just hit save. Now on this page, we have some tutorials and how-tos. Follow those along and they'll help you more. Come on down. Best Apps 2026. Sports, movies, TV shows. Click on the button. Gives us a great little download. Didn't jailbreak our on-streaming device. Oh no. We don't jailbreak Android devices. We'll hit settings. Highlight Downloader, turn it on. This gives Downloader the ability, now their permissions to download applications. Click Install. Turn on Play Protect? No, let's keep it off. We're going to hit Done. Now we're going back out. Delete the installation file. Yes, confirm the delete. We only need to do that the one time. That's the jailbreak. It's not jailbreaking. HQ. There's a little redirect here for HQ. I'll fix the link shortly. Here it wants us to just click on this little blue arrow or click on the download arrow, and the download starts. Quick application to download. Yes, install. Then we're going to click Done. Delete the installation file. Yes, confirm the delete. And we're going back out once, twice, and we're at the area to get HD. Same thing here. Give it a second. Click on the blue icon. Another quick and easy downloaded application. Install. Done. Delete. Confirm the delete. Back out once. Back out twice. I got one last application, a goodie, an oldie. Kodi. Click on it. The little blue button, download icon. Pick out the video. Install. Click done. Delete the installation file. Confirm the delete. Now guys, we can just hit the home button on our remote. We can find these applications. So your apps are right down here, so we can just click down. Oh. We just pull down. We have our apps here, and of course we have all the applications we just downloaded for you. Let's check out Kodi. Say continue. I usually say don't allow for recorded audio. Allow for photos and media on to access. Now here we have Kodi. I like the settings icon. Go over to systems. Come down to add-ons. Slide over with your remote. Come down, unknown sources, select it. Say yes. Back out. Up to file manager. Add source. Click. Here we're going to enter a URL. You need to enter this URL exactly as it's shown here. We need a colon. So we have a semicolon. So if we hit the shift button, it gives us a colon. Click. // So follow along and just type it in exactly like that. We'll click OK. Our name. We'll say OK. So if you screwed it up, you will get this. Back out 1, add-ons. Zip. Our name, our file. Give it a few minutes. It's installed. Repository, our name, program, our chef, install. Highlight OK. Now this, it might take a few minutes. The screen may go black a few times, may not, may blink as it's doing. There is a little counter here where at 0%, it'll go to 100 fairly quickly. And once everything's done, we'll get this blue screen. We're good for the next step. So just click the button, give it a minute, say yes. If you know these two, use one of them. If not, free. Yes. Now guys, this takes a little bit of time to install. I just want to say I thank you so much for following. I thank you so much for the subscriptions, the subscribers, the thumbs up, the comments. I try to get back to them all. If you have an app that you think would be great for me, put it in and I'll get a tutorial for it for you. I know some of these videos may be a little redundant. 95% of my viewers are new to my channel. I've never seen a video before. I do thank you so much, the 5% that do watch my videos over and over again. I do appreciate you so much. I'm so thankful for you all. Now that that part's done, we would like to force close Cody, so we can just click OK. When you reopen it, enjoy. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Happy streaming. Peace. Guys, our online security is at our utmost important. Helping it with buffering, helping it with your provider slowing down your network connection. Get yourself a nice, reliable VPN. Pull out your phone, scan this QR code. It's already up on your TV. Get yourself 82% off and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Secure your online activity. Now, if you're still here, check out how IPVanish works. Use the description below or scan that QR code. Get yourself an account, 82% off, 30-day money-back guarantee. Go into the App Store. Go into the App Store and download IPVanish. Once it's here, we're connected to Boston. Or we hit the settings icon. We have our favorites, countries, or cities. So we can go across What do we want? Buffalo. Perfect. Look at that. I'm in Canada. Now I can connect to Buffalo. Now I can make Buffalo a favorite, of course. And it's stars. We can click on it. Now we can connect to Buffalo. And the VPN is now connected to Buffalo. We do have a little settings icon here. Connect automatically, or we can have split tunneling. We can click that. Highlight user apps. Here, for instance, I got Prime. I want to keep it in Canada, so I select it so it stays in Canada. Piece of cake. Some other applications like Threat Protect and the ability to automatically have IPVanish turn on as soon as you start your device. Peace. Happy streaming. Peace.